Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's UiPath tutorial, we are going to learn how to create an array variable and how to use them. Okay, so if you are new to RPA tools or doing brush up, then it is the right place. Okay, you will get hands-on experience on this. So first of all, we will understand what is array. So array is a collection of a similar data type. Okay, so means what it does means it means that if we create any array variable, okay, if we create any array variable, then we can store only similar type of values in that. Like if we create a string variable, then we can store string value in that. Okay, Suresh, Somesh. And if we create any integer array, then we can store only integer value inside that variable, okay, separated by comma. If you want more understanding on arrays, then I have created a video you can see in I button. You can watch and learn. Okay, so as of now we will learn how to create a array variable in UiPath. So I am launching UiPath Studio. So till the time UiPath Studio is launching, please subscribe to my channel, okay, and support me so that I can create very helpful video for you. So once this UiPath Studio is launched, we will create process. Process means project. We will give our project name array variable dim. Everything we will keep as it is, and then we will click on create button. So UiPath Studio will create a project for us. So in left hand side panel you can see there is a one panel, and in the left bottom corner you can see one icon, data manager. So we will click here, and you can see here one option, create variable. We will click on that, and we will give our variable name array var. Okay, now we will select the data type. So data type we will select as an array of t. Okay, then we have to give the data type, which value we want to store. So as of now we will store a string value and click OK. So now our string data type array variable is created. Now we will assign some values to this array variable. So how to assign? You can see here multiple tabs are there. We will click on activities, and there is a one option assign. We will drag and drop here, and we will pass our variable here, use variable. Okay, so our array variable we will pass here, then we will assign values. So we will assign some username. So we can pass Suresh comma Somesh. Okay, so now these two values are assigned to array variable. So we have created the array variable, assigned these values to array variable, and now we will iterate these two values. So how to iterate? We will use for loop. Drag and drop here, and in this first text box section, in value section, we will pass our array variable. How to pass? Click on plus sign button, then use variable, and click on variables, select this. Okay, now we will print the values in message box, okay, one by one. So this array variable, each value, when for loop will run, each value will stored in this variable current text. Okay, so we will pass this current text in message box. Let's drag and drop message box, copy this and paste here, enter. Error is gone. Now press Ctrl S to save our project and click on this play button. So UiPath Studio will compile our project first, then it will run. So see, first name is printed, Now second name Somesh is also printed. Okay, so this is the way we create the array variable in UiPath Studio. And if you want to create integer data type array variable, then you can change from here. Okay, select this, and now it is by default selected. Then you can click on OK. So similarly, other type also you can create here. Data type variable you can create. Okay, so I hope you have understood this explanation. If you found this video very helpful for you, then please subscribe to YouTube channel, share this video, and comment in below if you have any questions. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.